Okay, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, student. How are you today? I hope you're in good condition and happy situation. Well, student, today we are gonna learn about tenses. Well, student, have you ever heard what is tenses before? Alright, there are 12 tenses. So today, let's we discuss together one by one, okay? Okay, student. In the first tenses, I will explain about simple present. The simple present tense is used to talk about general truth, habit, and routine. The formula is subject plus verb 1 plus S or ES plus object. For the example in the positive sentence is she watches the movie. We use ES when the subject is she, he, it. Okay, we need S or ES. Okay, because it's the subject she, we use ES. For the negative sentence, she does not watch the movie. Okay, we need do or does plus not because negative we add not. Okay, the same before do or does. When the subject is she, he, it, we can use does, and when the subject Ayu Dewi, we use do because it's she doesn't watch the movie. So the interrogative sentence to be moved to the front of do or does. Okay, does she watch the movie? Okay, remember that, student, if you find the verb, the last verb is ss, ch, sh, x or o, you can add es behind the verb. For the example, discuss, you can see ss become discusses, teach become teaches, brush become brushes, mix become mixes, go become goes. Present continuous. Present continuous is a tense that happening right now. Nah, jadi tenses yang sedang terjadi sekarang. Okay, in the present continuous, we use verb ing. For the example, reading, writing, running, listening, running, and other. Okay. For the formula, subject plus to be am, are, is plus verb in plus object. The to be depend on the subject, same as before. Okay, if the subject I, we use to be am. If you Dewi, we use to be are, and she, he, it, we can use is. Okay, because the subject she, so we need to use is. For the example, she is watching the movie. Okay, in the positive sentence. So in the negative sentence, we need not. Only you add not after the to be. Okay, for the example, she is not watching the movie. Okay, so the interrogative sentence, the to be move to the front of does she watching the movie. Okay, you understand? Present perfect. Okay, present perfect is to talk about an action that happened in the past and continue to the present time. Jadi present perfect itu adalah aksi yang sudah terjadi di masa lampau dan masih berlanjut sampai saat ini. Oke, masih berlangsung sampai waktu ini gitu. Oke, in the present perfect we can use verb 3, kata kerja bentuk ketiga. You can see the formula: subject have or has plus verb 3 plus object. We can use have or has depend on the subject. For the example, if the subject she, he, it, we can use has. If the subject I, you, Dewi is followed by have. Okay? For the example, she has watched the movie for 2 hours. Dia telah menonton TV selama 2 jam. So in the negative sentence, we only use not. For example, she has not, she hasn't watched the movie for 2 hours. So in the interrogative sentence, the to be moved to the front of. Okay. Has she watched the movie for 2 hours? Okay. Okay, there are several time signal in the present perfect. For example, is already, just, yet, ever, never, for, since. Present perfect continuous is an activity that began in the past and continue in the present. Nah, jadi dia suatu kegiatan yang sudah yang mulai di masa lampau dan dilanjutkan sampai saat ini, sampai sekarang ini. Okay? For the formula, in the perfect continuous we use verb ing. Okay? Verb ing and been, has been, have been. Okay, for the example, the formula is subject plus have or has plus been plus verb ing plus object. For the example, she has been watching the movie for 1 hour. So in the negative sentence, she has not been watching the movie for 1 hour. So in interrogative sentence, has she been watching the movie for 1 hour? Okay. Okay, the time signal in the present perfect continuous they are for and since. Okay. We move to another tenses. Okay, simple past. Okay, simple past is to talk about an action that happened in the past. Nah, jadi kalau simple past ini adalah suatu aksi yang sudah terjadi di masa lampau. In the simple past, we use verb to, kata kerja bentuk kedua. You can see the formula here. Okay, ada subject plus verb to and object. And in simple past, we need add verb of time, kayak specific time gitu ya. Nah, time signalnya ada yesterday, ago, 2 years ago, last month, last week, last year, so in. Okay. For the example, in the positive sentence, I ate an apple yesterday. Nah, in the negative and interrogative, verbnya berubah menjadi verb 1, okay, plus object. For the example, I didn't eat an apple yesterday. Okay. So the interrogative, did I eat an apple yesterday? Okay, next tenses is about past continuous. Past continuous is an action that were ongoing at specific time in the past. There are 3 functions in the past continuous. For the first formula is subject plus was or were plus verb in plus object and add a verb. Okay. Was or were is depend on subject. If the subject I, she, he, it is followed by was, and the subject you, Dewi is followed by were. Okay, for the example, I was eating an apple. The second function is we use when. After when is followed by verb to, kata kerja bentuk kedua ya. For the example, I was eating an apple when my mother came. Last function is while. If we use while, when we use while, is followed by verb ing. Okay, I was eating an apple while my mother was coming. Past perfect. Okay, past perfect is an action that occurred before another past action or event. Jadi, okay, in the past perfect we use had plus verb 3, kata kerja bentuk ketiga ya guys. For the example, you had eaten a meatball. Okay, in the negative sentence, you only add not after had. Okay, you had not eaten a meatball. In the interrogative, had you eaten a meatball? Okay, past perfect continuous is an action that began, was in progress, and finished in the past. Nah, jadi ini kegiatan yang dimulai di masa lalu dan selesainya juga di masa lalu juga. Oke. Oke, beda di sini pakai had been plus verb ing karena dia continuous. Every continuous we use verb ing, okay? For the example, in the positive sentence, subject plus had plus been plus verb ing plus object. For the example, he had been working since 2022. In the negative sentence, we only add not. For the example, he had not been working since 2022. In the interrogative sentence is had he been working since 2022. Next is about simple future. Simple future is an action that will happen. Jadi ini adalah aksi yang akan terjadi di masa depan, yang akan mendatang. Okay, in future we use will plus verb one. Okay, time signalnya ada tomorrow, next letter. Okay, for example is I will write a letter tomorrow. So in the negative sentence, I will not write a letter tomorrow. For the interrogative sentence, will I write a letter tomorrow? Okay, the next is about future continuous. Future continuous is an event that in progress in the future in a specific time. Okay, for the example, I will be writing a letter at 9 a.m. Okay, so the interrogative sentence, will I be writing a letter at 9 a.m. Next is about future perfect. Is about an action will be complete or not complete before another action in the future. In the positive sentence, subject plus will plus have plus verb 3. Okay, because it's a perfect, we use verb 3, kata kerja bentuk ketiga. For the example, I will have written a letter. Yes, this is the last tenses. Is about future perfect continuous. Is the event that will begin and continue in the future by duration. For the formula, we can use will, subject plus will plus have been plus verb ing plus object. For the example, I will have been writing a letter for 2 hours. Okay. For the negative sentence, we only add not. Okay. I will not have been writing a letter for 2 hours. Okay. You get my point, my student, about the tenses, about the 12 tenses that I have discussed today? Okay, good job. Do you have any question? See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.